I'm so excited to be a CHC student at UCI, but I don't really know what classes to take to meet my honors requirements or stay on track with my major. I wonder who to talk to about these things.
We have a solution for you.
Have you heard of CHC Peer Academic Advisors?
No, who are they?
Hi, my name is Jadzia and my pronouns are she, her. I'll be a fourth-year mechanical engineering major and I'm from Redwood City, California.
Hi, my name is Farnaz. I use she, her, hers pronouns. I'm a third-year neurobiology major and I'm from Bellflower, California.
The CHC Peer Academic Advisors are paid, trained advisors who work specifically with honor students of all majors. As honor students ourselves, we bring a unique advising perspective on courses and resources specifically for CHC students.
We're here to celebrate your honors journey as you choose a track, prepare to write your thesis, and strive to excel in your honors courses.
We're excited to meet you all and help guide you through this upcoming year with the rest of Team Dreams.
You've got a peer in me. You've got a peer in me. Got a question. We are here, a quick chat, and we'll solve your academic fears. You just remember us, your honors peers. Yeah, you've got a peer in me. Yeah, you've got a peer in me.
Hi there, my name is Amanda and my pronouns are they, them. I'm currently a third year studying business administration with a minor in digital information systems, and I'm from San Jose, California. I'm super excited to be one of the CHC PAAs this year.
Hi everyone, my name's Amalia and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm a fourth year criminology, law, and society student minoring in digital arts, and I'm from South Pasadena, California. I'll be returning PAA for the CHC next year, and I'm really excited to be working with the rest of Team Dreams. And I can't wait to come back to the CHC office and help out other students. So I'll see you around next year.
We highly recommend you ask us anything about the honors program, CHC resources, course planning, your undergraduate experience, and beyond.
We'll also be in touch with information about CHC specific events, academic opportunities like workshops and seminars, and other information for you to utilize. So please keep an eye out from emails from us throughout the school year.
You've got a peer in me. You've got a peer in me. You've got troubles. We get you. There is nothing that we wouldn't do for you. Just stick with us and we will see it through. 'Cause you've got a peer in me. You've got a peer in me.
Hi, my name is Sara and I use she, her pronouns. I'm a third year cognitive sciences and informatics minor here at UCI. I'm from San Diego, California, and I'm so excited to work as a PAA with Team Dreams this year.
Hi, my name is Samy and I use he, him pronouns. I'm a fourth year human biology major and a health informatics minor, and I'm from Cerritos, California. I can't wait to help you all out alongside with the rest of Team Dreams.
If you have any questions about any of the CHC requirements, courses, research, or anything CHC related, please just stop by on the 5th floor of the Science Library. We as PAAs are here to help you answer your questions and connect you to many opportunities.
We can help answer many of your questions about CHC and UCI as a whole, since we're students too. So please come and visit us during our office hours to ask any questions about picking honors courses, research, tracks, or even just to say hi. We're all equipped with resourceful information and are ready to help you out. We can't wait to meet with you all. Hope to see you soon.